Hi everyone, this is Arvind from Grammar. Today I will talk about what is the present continuous tense and what is the structure of the present continuous tense and what are the form of the present continuous tense, how we can make a present continuous tense in whole detail, okay, with examples, as well as I will discuss about with you how is the formation of this present continuous tense, how we can make a present continuous tense easily to understand, okay. First, behind me at the blackboard I have written with you for you, and that is a present continuous tense, okay, form, present continuous tense forms, okay. And if I broadly discuss about what is present continuous tense, so if something is continue, okay, that is called present continuous tense, that is going on, okay, that is present continuous tense. For example, I am facing camera, okay, so I am doing this thing this time, so this is a type of the continuous tense. Generally we talk with our friends like we continue, do this one, continue, okay? So it's mean continue, that is going on, okay. So its mean is this sentence is going to present continuous tense. Here I will talk about how to make a positive forms with subject and with your verb plus first form plus ing plus object, okay. And how you can make with how you make with how you make with negative sentences and as well as interrogative sentences, and with that fourth one I will discuss with you how to make present continuous tense and interrogative present negative present continuous tense. So here you look, this one I have written with you present continuous tense, okay. And their form first, for the positive form we write subject first, and then after subject we write is mr. Here you can see for subject, and then we write is mr. With that, for first form, I hope you know what is the form by first form. There are the three form of the verb first form, second form and third form, okay. So we add with verb first form plus ing, with that we add with that with ing and plus object. For example, I say he is reading, okay, he is reading books. So he, this is subject, is mr is here plus he is reading is a verb plus books, okay. So book is what, book is object. So subject plus for the positive form you write a subject plus is mr plus verb first form plus ing plus object, okay. And now for the negative form, we have with a subject and plus is mr, this one for is mr plus not is mr with we have not but plus verb first form and plus ing adding with that and plus object, okay. So for this situation you can make your sentence. For example, he is not reading book, okay. That situation we was saying he was reading book for the positive form, for the negative form he is not reading book, okay. For the interrogative forms, how to make interrogative form, so we write generally first is mr, okay, is mr, first we write is mr, and after that we write subject, what is subject, and then we write verb, okay, and then first form of the verb plus ing and plus object. For example, is yes sir, sorry, is okay, is he reading books, okay. So you can write like this, okay. And for the interrogative negative sentences you can write like is mr first plus not and plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object. For example, is he is not he reading book, okay. So this is the interrogative negative form. Here by deleting these one, these are after deleting I will going to discuss with you some examples, okay. So take a look here. Okay, so I discuss with you 4 and 3 example. First was he is reading book for the positive form. For the negative form, he is not reading book. For the interrogative form, is he reading book? For the interrogative negative form, and that was the what is not he is reading book, okay. Is he not reading book, okay. Now I can take here another example, and that is, for example, John is John sorry, there I was taking plural because that was singular. Now be taking plural. I think this is not going to be long. Okay, so I want to make a short video because long is not preferable many people to do. And this is for like they are not, they are not going to church. Okay, they are not going to church. This is for negative. Okay, and for positive form, this is for the negative form. This is for the negative form. Negative forms. For the positive form, I can write they are going to church. Okay, church. This is for the positive forms, and this one for negative form. This is for positive form, positive, and this is for the negative form. And now we look for the interrogative form. For interrogative, we write are, these are first. Okay, so are they going to church? Okay, are they going to church? So this is what, this is a interrogative. Here you can write this symbol of interrogative, so it will be more visible to understand this is type of interrogative. And now for interrogative negative, that we can write only not here, and that will be your interrogative negative. Are not they going, are not they going to church? So I hope you understand what is the present continuous tense. Now I summarize everything in detail, and that is for present continuous tense, the thing, the behind the scene, present continuous is something which is continue going on. And for form, making the positive form of present continuous tense, be is subject and then plus verb, subject plus is mr. Okay, plus verb first form plus ing and plus object. Okay, verb first form plus ing plus object. And for the making present continuous tense negative form, we use subject plus is mr plus not and plus verb first form plus ing plus object. And for the making interrogative sentence of the present continuous tense, we make generally what, we make generally is mr first, and then after is mr we use after is mr we use what, we use subject, we use subject and plus what, plus uh, verb first form plus ing plus object. For interrogative negative present continuous tense, to make that one, we use a verb is mr first and then not plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object. So these are the how to make these are the formation I'm making present continuous tense. I hope you understand with this video.